What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are back on actually the anniversary of our first mukbang. Today, we are going to be eating burgers from different restaurants. Yes, we are.
Yep.
Today, right now, we're starting at Wendy's. You know Wendy?
Wendy's nuts.
Wendy's nuts.
It smells.
All right, me and Dylan are now in our the drive-through for our sixth and final place.
Yep.
And one restaurant in particular is really making my nostrils feel not the best, and that will be White Castle. It reeks. It stinks.
Yeah,
Back with another video. Today we are going to be doing burger mukbang. That's right. And you know where the first place is from? The king itself, Burger King.
Let's see if that's really true.
As we open it up,
We also have one side to go along with the burger.
what we got
Chicken fries.
is a hamburger. And just wait till you see what's on this.
Absolutely nothing.
Yummy. So how are we gonna do this, you may
That's
ask?
the saddest looking burger I've ever
So what we're gonna
seen.
do? Here, you want that one?
Oh wow.
We're gonna split it up and we're gonna taste it. I've never had Burger King.
It's not even that bad. It just looks really sad.
Let me ask you something. What's your favorite season?
I would say spring.
Ooh, I say winter.
Alright, but like, what's so good about winter?
No bees.
Yeah, but spring is like, it has all the flowers and like, all
Aw,
that.
aw, how cute. The burger was, I would say, it wasn't great, it wasn't good, it wasn't bad. It was okay.
I'm gonna rate it. Actually, it was an alright burger. It looked barely presentable, but I'm gonna say it was like a 6 out of 10. Maybe a 5.
Now we go into the side. I've actually never had these.
What do you
either.
rate it, Jonah?
Oh, I would say a 4.5 out of 10.
That's respectable.
Whatever these are.
Chicken fries.
Chicken fries. They're not that bad.
Let me get another one.
Oh, he wants another one. I would definitely scran this, but I don't know. I think one is enough for me for now. As we move on, Culver's.
Are we rating this?
I'd say this. I mean, first time having it, I'm gonna say it was a little 6 out of 10. So the next restaurant
Agreeable.
we have, I don't want to go last with White Castle. That's the issue.
That was the best one.
I don't want to last with White Castle. Should we do it now? Well, for the one that me and him have been waiting for
Absolutely.
is
Like,
White Castle.
Drooling over. Let me tell you this. Oh wow! Show the camera that.
You guys need to see this.
Absolutely
Oh my
delectable
God.
looking. Holy.
Now let's bring it out. Oh,
A slider.
I don't know what that is.
Oh my god. Why is this thing up like that?
I really don't know. We should eat this. We're gonna die. Okay, we're gonna
Oh
split
wow,
it.
that slider looks yummy.
Okay.
Glad you give me the bigger half this time. It's soggy.
I think we should spit it out or throw it away. You guys see this? I'm gonna make it disappear.
It's cold and wet.
Yeah, it's
Did you
real-
eat it?
Yeah, I had a bite, but it's really not good. I think I'm gonna throw it.
Ew, it's so gross. You kicked me with it.
Alright, but that's not the only thing they have from there.
Absolutely delectable. What can I say?
I actually don't want to. I'm chewing.
To be honest, 0 out of 10.
Negative 10 out of 10.
That shit was gross.
Now it's time for the mozzarella
Okay,
sticks.
the mozzarella sticks actually look kind of good, to be honest.
Hopefully it's changing.
The
Oh, don't. I'm gonna have to blur that.
You beep it out.
This is not mozzarella. We're gonna put this back.
It's not. It's a mozzarella stick, you know?
But there's no cheese hanging from it.
What are you talking about? It's not that. It's like total meal 2 out of 10. Actually 3 out of 10 because of the mozzarella stick.
Ooh, okay.
The burger gave
Wow.
it a good 0. You know, I'm kind of average. Okay, maybe 2 out of 10.
Okay, 2 out of
average
10.
thing with that.
I don't want to put this back in my bag.
Then put it back in the back.
Next up,
We don't litter around here.
Culver's. Yummy. I'm excited for this one. As they gave me a double hamburger when
Clean my palate.
I asked for just a regular one. Look at this one. This one doesn't look that bad. Not too
That
shabby.
looks pretty good.
Let's do my little splitting magic.
Oh wow.
Mm. This one's good.
Yeah.
Now, as we enjoy this one, let me ask you: milk before cereal or cereal before milk?
Is that even a question?
Well, I think you would put the milk in before the cereal. Yes.
I would say cereal before the milk. Because how do you know?
Because you have to set the meal up with the milk. That's the
But
that's the starter.
how are you supposed to gauge how much milk you need ahead of time?
I'm not sure I quite understand what you just said.
Think about this. If you put the milk first, what if the milk starts to overflow because you want more cereal?
Now
No.
put more milk in.
No. What? But you want more cereal than milk, you know?
No.
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 But like, you're eating the cereal, not the milk.
No, you don't eat cereal.
What does that even
You
mean?
just said you're eating the cereal.
You do eat cereal.
Oh,
What do you mean
I
you
thought
don't
you.
eat cereal? What the?
I thought you were talking about milk. My bad. Should we go into the Culver side?
Wait,
How do
full
you-
review?
I already feel like I need to throw up.
Wait, hold on.
Before we get into the side, I really like this burger.
This is a good burger, but let me tell you guys something. Me and Jonah ate a full meal before this.
Dude, I had 8 pieces of pizza.
I ate like half a turkey dinner, so yeah, oh wow.
We're really putting it in for you, for the viewers who aren't gonna watch all the way through.
Mhm.
Some pretzel bites.
Burger. That was a 7 out of 10 burger.
It was. I feel like it was a 6.5 out of 10.
6.5. That's a good answer. It's a pretzel bite.
It is a pretzel bite.
Should we test out the cheese?
How about you take a picture? It'll last longer. That's what it says right here. I really like that from Culver's. That might have boosted the score up to a 7 for me.
Oh, that's a little much.
How is it? Tell me. How does it taste? How scrumptious is it? How nourishment is it?
With cheese, I'm gonna give it like a 6 out of 10. It's a pretzel bite. It's not bad.
I can't deny those allegations. It is a pretzel bite.
Salty, pretty scrumptious. I'm not gonna lie.
What would you give this Culver's restaurant ranking out of overall? I'm gonna place these over here as we're gonna eat it later.
As an overall, I'm gonna say 7 out of 10. I know I said a 6 for those, but you know, I would say Culver's in general is a 7 out of 10. What about you, Jonah?
I'll give it a 7.3 out of 10.
Oh my god, we're only through 3 places.
Yeah, we're only through 3. It feels like I really like my stomach's gonna blow up. Stop sweating.
My bad, bro.
I have to delete these. And here we go with another square.
Oh wow. Square burger.
At that point, would you call it a square burger?
No, they wouldn't. But one might call it that.
This is Wendy's, by the way. Oh man, that came from the heart.
This is a sad burger.
It is sad.
It's like
the type of burgers that you eat after like your grandma trips down the stairs time.
you can taste the sadness that the person that made this was feeling.
Mm-hmm.
They cried while making this burger.
Speaking of worker, let us tell you about that White Castle customer.
See how thin this burger is? I don't know if you can see that. Sad.
That's
My
weird.
bad. Oh, we also forgot to get a side at this place because it was our first place.
I'm gonna rate that for being sad. I feel really bad for it. So I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10.
I'm gonna give it a 4. It's pretty.
Alright, maybe I was a little too generous. I'll give it a 3.
No, you keep being generous.
Okay.
Wow.
Next is a place where I'm not sure why it's called 5.
Oh wow.
Yummy.
Oh, I'm glad we got no condiments on any of these burgers.
Oh, that would have been so gross.
Why'd you give me the bigger half?
Ow! I just oh. Ooh, it smells really good.
Kind of tastes like Culver's burger.
Oh, that's what it says so. Definitely not the best. Definitely not the worst.
I mean, I think if we got cheese and, you know, like actual toppings, maybe it'd be a little bit better, but
My issue is that I can't eat cheese.
oh my god.
I want to die.
No. Fine, you're eating that whole grilled cheese then.
No.
I'm only eating like a quarter.
Oh my god, what the hell?
I'm gonna have a heart attack. Oh my god.
I guess this is grilled cheese. Mmm.
I'm not taking half of that.
Yummy.
You left me with the bigger half. Mm.
It's not your traditional grilled cheese.
It has a burger bun. I think as a bread. But I'm gonna eat all of this because I gotta live true to the
I really don't like how it tastes. Oh my god, it's actually really bad. I don't like it. You try it.
I don't want it. Jonah, you have to eat that grilled cheese.
I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
There is a homeless person down there.
Actually?
Yes. You eat that food, Jonah.
No, I can't.
What do you mean?
can't.
It's that bad?
Dude, I feel like I'm gonna throw up, yes.
After the grilled cheese?
You try it then. You try it. Eat it.
I don't want it.
Take a bite.
It's about to throw up after
Bite.
the grilled. I don't want the nasty ass grilled cheese.
Oh, it's so bad. Oh, that just ruined the whole Five Guys for me.
Oh my god.
I'll give it a 4 out of 10.
We got 2 more burgers, don't we?
1.
Oh, dang.
Hey, the best one of all, best side of all, apple slices. So that means you know where we got this from. Here, take some apple slices. You're gonna need it.
I think I do need that. Oh my god. I'm still finished making my burger.
The last burger of today. Hey, give us stuff on it when we said nothing on it. Here you go.
No, I don't.
This really doesn't taste like the McDonald's burger I usually taste.
By the way, we're recording out of a Mariano's parking lot, if anyone is wondering. Oh my god. I'm gonna throw up.
You're gonna tell me so you get him.
Alright, so first, I'm gonna go over Five Guys. I'm still working on it. And I got a whole McDonald's burger.
Feel my chest.
I don't want to do
No, feel how fast my heart is beating.
No, you're good.
Oh, good. Okay. I was scared we were gonna die before we
Alright.
recorded this.
So, Five Guys, it was like a 5 out of 10. I mean, the burger was cold by the time we got to it, but oh my god. All right, Jonah, do you have something to say?
Five Guys, I told them my thoughts already. The grilled cheese ruined it all. McDonald's is usually a 10 out of 10, but like, I don't know, I feel like because it waited so long, it's really bad. And I got stuff on my shoe. But you guys aren't ready for the finisher this year. We didn't get pasta. We got fruit.
Alright, wait, hold up. I haven't started my McDonald's burger. Put it away.
Maybe I'll,
Jonah.
yeah? Still gonna eat these though, because I actually like these. Not anymore though, because I've been, I should have closed it.
Why?
Should I stop it?
No, I'm still working on my McDonald's. It's the first time I've ever had a McDonald's burger.
Yeah.
I mean, it is sad. Oh my god.
Man, everyone just wasn't feeling it this Saturday night.
Oh my god, these workers were not happy while making these burgers. Alright, final thoughts on McDonald's. Apple Slices gives it like a +2, but this is like 5 out of 10 burger, 7 out of 10 for McDonald's in general.
It's fruit time.
It's fruit time.
It's fruit time.
To the fear of being copyrighted, here is me singing Monkeys Spinning Monkeys. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun.
It is. We're back on the normal video.
Show
We've
them
gotten
our progress.
we've gotten very far on this.
I'm gonna throw up before
But
we get to the end.
I wanted him to try the great grilled cheese.
It doesn't look that bad.
All right, have it.
Why does it have 2? What is this?
Try it.
Why is this like this? I'm not trying that. Why did he like spit in the middle of it?
You have to try it.
You're right. You're finishing it.
One big bite. One big bite.
No, I'm not taking a big bite.
Mhm.
No.
For YouTube.
No, I don't care
For
about
them.
YouTube. I don't care about them.
Yeah.
Oh my god. That was the worst grilled cheese. Oh. Alright.
How you feel?
I feel fine. You know, I gotta get it down with some kiwi. Alright, put it back, Jonah.
Okay.
During this time lapse of the video, me and Dylan kept laughing, and I'm not sure why, but make sure to stay after we say goodbye for bloopers.
Alright. We're done with most of the fruit. And I'm going to show you here. This is the ground. We're going to go. We're going to on our way to go throw stuff out.
We're good.
Alright, let's go throw some stuff out. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, tonight we are going to be it's like a restart type of thing. I'm going to put this down here. Alright, tonight we're going to burn off what we had by doing some core workouts. That's not what I didn't mean, like core workouts. I meant like, alright. First, we're going to start off. We're going to run. So we're going to go. There is a cop, but it's okay because we look like two teens just being teens.
Yep.
So we're going to run from here.
Yep.
And back.
3
Ready?
times.
Ready? Wait, to where?
There and back.
Okay. Alright. Ready, go. Alright, fine. You want to get real? I'm going to take my stuff out of my pockets.
That's the
One more. Oh my god.
The food's kicking in. Oh.
Let's run together, buddy. How do you feel?
The food is messing me up.
Yeah, not gonna lie. It feels like I got punched. Like it hurts.
I feel like throwing up, but I'm gonna keep it in.
Well, if you need to, go ahead.
No. You I insist.
I'm buckling. Should we do it again?
Ah, shoot. Oh my stomach is solid right now.
How'd you guys? What kind of food should we do next time? What do you think? Dude, I'm gonna get home and have the meanest number 2 ever. Oh, man. Whew, I feel it. Right here.
Yeah, I think you want me to punch you in the stomach?
No, I don't. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. No, what do you think of this overall mukbang today?
It was a good mukbang, you know?
I think it was a lot more disgusting foods than last year. Last year we could actually sit through it and eat it all.
Yeah, I felt like throwing up like twice.
Yeah, and as you can see, we didn't really like a lot of the stuff we ate.
Yeah.
Where's that thing I kicked? It didn't really
It's
go
over
there.
there, but
Oh.
you know, I would say the worst 2 today, in my opinion, was definitely White Castle. I couldn't even get it down. It was so gross.
The smell was so bad.
And honestly, I don't know if it was because I was so full, but Burger King was not looking good today. I'm not gonna lie. How about you?
I think my worst two was probably Wendy's, because I wasn't expecting the square. I really didn't like that. And White Castle.
Yeah.
White Castle really ruined my. We should have we should have done that last.
Oh my god, it was bad.
Like right when we bought it, like just the smell was.
It was bad.
I think the smell ruined a lot of it.
Alright.
So the two worst things tonight was White Castle grilled cheese for me, and spilling cheese all over the trunk of my dad's car.
That grilled cheese was also nasty.
I mean, you barely had any.
That was the 5 Castle grilled cheese.
5 Castle grilled cheese.
5 Guys grilled cheese.
Yeah, I meant 5 Guys. See, we're getting messed up. This food is getting to the brain.
Oh my god. That's
Alright. So we'd like to thank you all. We're back. We'd like to thank you all for coming tonight.
Again. Best ones. Culver's. Yeah.
Culver's. I think
is
Culver's.
the best.
I don't think I ever had Culver's that well.
No, Culver's is definitely the best.
Alright.
Little breath of fresh
This
air.
is JD Adventures. JD Jonah X Dylan. I'm Jonah, and that's Dylan, and we'll see you next time on the channel. Peace out.
Alright, come back, sit down.
Yeah, hold on.
And I'll do like
Wait.
3, 2, 1.
Welcome back
with another
to
video.
a YouTube channel video.
Why'd you mess?
Okay, retake.
Alright.
What did I say?
I thought we were saying we were back with another video.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. No! Shoot. Oh no, I need napkins. No! This is my dad's car. Oh my god, no. Jumping jacks.
Can we just run, man?
Alright.